before. So we are here, right? Okay. I've got this scope, which is the scope of the whole C++ code I'm writing. Okay. This is the scope of the whole C++ code, right? If I have an apple here, okay? I've just got my apple, right? Within the apple, within the scope, I also have my main function, which is Mr. Main. Okay? This is Mr. Main. What it simply means is that if you come to this building, regardless of what you do, you need to talk to Mr. Main. Yeah? So Mr. Main is our reception to our hotel. If you want a key to a room, you need to get it from Mr. Main. If that key has not been given to Mr. Main and you come to the room, the hotel, you can't really book that room because he can't give you access. So all the keys, all the functions need to be what? Accessible by Mr. Main, right? So on there, we have this particular room as well, which belongs to Mr. John. In our case, it was what? Square num, right? Square num is also a function. Let's give Mr. John a little heart. This is square num. So we're saying that at the moment, the apple is global. So it means this apple sits outside main and it sits outside square num. Both main and square num have access to the apple.
Yeah, but we don't have access to them.
Sorry, this is the whole code we have written, the block of code that we've written. Main can get out and have access to square num, the apple, because it's global. Does that make sense? Yeah? You sure? So if you look at the code, this is main function block compressed. If you walk out of it, you've got access to what? This result variable. That is our apple.
So basically, the apple, they can both access it, which is the results, right?
Yes, because it's defined outside them. But let's say if we go to main function, right? And main has his, I don't know, orange. Let me draw this as orange, right? Main has orange. This person has what? I don't know, some cash, right? The orange belongs to main. The cash belongs to square num. So because we've defined the cache within square num, it's local to square num.
Yeah.
Does that make sense now?
Yeah.
It's local to square num. And then the orange is also local to main. Now here's the challenge. I made a reference to the password earlier. Think about this. If main goes to take a piece of this apple, at this point, the piece of the apple is taken. This is in reference to your magic question. It's not a full apple anymore. So if square num also goes to take a piece of this apple, this is what is left. So the thing with global variable is that if main updates global variable to the value 5, at that point, the results become 5.
So they have to take it themselves.
Yeah, because it's global, everybody can have access to it. Everybody gets to use it. Yeah, for your home dinner, I need to be in your house before I can have dinner with you. But everybody can go to the restaurant to have a food there. You need to invite me to your house. So does this at least make sense? And then I'll take the question.
The orange, which is what this guy, they can't access it, right?
This person cannot access it unless he's been declared in there or has been given access to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you declare it, because it's local to this, it's your home food. Unless you invite me to your house, I can't have access to it. Yeah. So I'll stop recording, stop sharing at this